Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your GK teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your GK class. My dear students, today we will start our new unit, unit number 5, Allama Iqbal, Allama Muhammad Iqbal, Rahmatullah alayh. And today I will deliver its zero lecture, that is the introduction of the unit. So my dear students, as you know कि हम prominent leaders और प्रोमिनेंट पर्सनालिटीज़ के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं जिन्होंने पाकिस्तान को बनाया और हमें एक आज़ाद रियासत दी. सो अल्लामा इकबाल का भी बहुत ही अहम किरदार है पाकिस्तान को बनाने में. कैसे है, वी विल स्टडी इन दिस यूनिट. सो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज अल्लामा मोहम्मद इकबाल and we made them leaders guiding by our command, and we inspired to them the doing of good deeds, establishment of prayer and giving of zakat, and they were worshippers of us. So my dear students, अल्लाह ताला कुरान पाक में फरमा रहे हैं कि जो ग्रेट लीडर्स होते हैं और हमारे जितने भी ग्रेट लीडर्स हैं वो दीन के ऊपर चलते हैं और वो तमाम उन चीज़ों के ऊपर अमल करते हैं, उन रास्तों पर अमल करते हैं जो हमें अल्लाह ताला ने बताई हैं. So my dear students, now is the time for introduction. In this unit, you will know who was Allama Muhammad Iqbal Rahmatullah alayh and what was his role in the making of a separate homeland for the Muslims of the subcontinent. So as we discussed about Qaid-e-Azam in the previous unit, unit number 4, इस unit में हम Allama Iqbal की contributions पढ़ेंगे towards making of Pakistan. So my dear students, this is Allama Iqbal and he is also known as the national poet. So my dear students, when we will start lecture number 1, students will be able to introduce Allama Iqbal as the personality who expounded the idea of Pakistan. So this will be lecture number 1. हमें ये पता चलेगा कि पाकिस्तान का जो नज़रिया पहली दफ़ा पेश किया था एक आज़ाद रियासत का, वो अल्लामा इकबाल ने पेश किया था. And then we will move forward towards lecture number 2. Lecture number 2 में students will be able to narrate the major events in the life of Allama Muhammad Iqbal, like his date of birth, national poet, famous poems for children, and the date when he died. So हम अल्लामा इकबाल की different contributions, उनकी lifestyle और कैसे जो है वो नज़में लिखते थे because he was a poet. So हम इस बारे में पढ़ेंगे. So my dear students, then we will move forward towards lecture number last lecture, that will be the review, lecture number 3. So इसमें जो है हम review करेंगे तमाम reading pages को. मैं आपको evaluation provide करूँगी, sheet provide करूँगी जिससे मुझे पता चलेगा that what you have learned from this unit. So my dear students, in the next lecture we will start lecture number 1 और we will discuss about the early life of Allama Iqbal और उनकी जो contributions हैं towards making the Pakistan. We will also discuss that. Until then, keep everybody around you safe. Have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.